Good morning, universe. Good morning, earth. Good morning, Honesty. And good morning, Labrador. To this vlog is mag-coffee break tayo. I'm using this one. Ito, pwede mo na hindi lagyan ng asukal kasi matamis na to. Kaya kung sino yung gustong mag-order, mag-order sa online. Ito, meron tong expiration date. Date manufactured December 19, 2023. Ang expiry niya is June 25 of June 19 of 2025. 2 taon pa para mag-expire. Ayan o. Mangosteen coffee drink